Meghalaya faces a literacy crisis with 25% of its population illiterate and a stagnant literacy rate of 74.43%, according to the 2011 census. Male literacy is 76% and female literacy is 72.89%. The East Khasi Hills district leads with a 84.70% literacy rate, while Garo Hills and Jaintia Hills lag behind. Education Minister Rakham A. Sangma has vowed to address the issue, focusing on improving literacy rates and tackling a high dropout rate of 21.7% in classes 9 and 10. To combat these challenges, the government is implementing measures such as twice-yearly board exams and remedial classes under the CM Impact program.
And we will definitely find out the way. This about 74.13 something, if I'm not wrong. So we are above 1% above the national average in terms of literacy. But in terms of district-wise, we are the barriers, the vary from district to district. Some district is far better than some, because of, but as an average that we come to that stage now.